Hello guys, how are you doing? In today's video we're going to see about a company called the Acquisition Group. This is a well reputed company in Canada and they have multiple openings for many positions and for multiple locations they have. Here you can see entry level, they are recruiting for freshers, seniority level, for customer support, for full-time job, sales representative, entry level marketing consultant, full-time junior customer care associate, all for maximum freshers, 0 to 1 year, 1 to 2 years experience people can start applying for many multiple location in this company they are recruiting. If you're the someone you are in Canada or immigrating to Canada, please share this video or please share this job post to your friends or in your social media so that they can make use of it. I'm going to show a two job posts right away. Please stay tuned with me, don't go anywhere. For latest update, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In our channel I do upload tons of new videos regarding immigration process, job post, and new latest update about immigration for countries like Canada, UK, Australia to save your valuable money. And but don't forget to please share, like and comments me below to love to hear from you. And now I'm going to have a new announcement for our viewers. Finally, now we are stepping into a social media Instagram platform. Please follow that too for latest update. I will be updating in that too, and we'll have a interaction each other and share our thoughts with the people and in order to help them, and the link is in the description box below. Okay, now we'll see the job profile for first one for entry level marketing consultant client tellers, and another one is coming up for customer support, that too for fresher, and this is for entry level. This is for also fresher, they don't require huge experience or education background for this, and will crack down. And as I said, this is for entry level marketing consultant, and the location where you're going to work for is Calgary. Not only Calgary, for multiple location, multiple openings are there. Please make use of it guys, so that you can have a employment to afford yourself, to settle yourself, and to support for your family and for yourself too. Okay, now we'll see the job duties. This is just a overview of the job role. You can have a glance if you require. I have given this link in the description box below. Just click that and get into this site so that you will start applying if you suits your profile. Okay, job duties, they have given market, prompt and sell the product and service to the customers according to their need. And second one, active participation in daily marketing, team building workshop and goal planning session with the management team. And the third one, represent us and client professionally and enthusiastically. Fourth one, in field interaction and conversation with the potential and established customer daily, and attend marketing events to promote sales, ability to find position each customer's unique value proposition to satisfy their long-term needs. And seventh one is develop and maintain exceptional concept consultative relationship with the exiting customer. And what the benefit they are giving from their company is highly marketable skills and training they are going to produce in business management and marketing, sales and service, opportunity for advancement and travel, flexible team oriented environment, proven high quality product for trust brand, comprehensive sales training they will be providing, full sales support provided, community service opportunity. So these are the seven things they are doing for you guys if you are got selected. And what they look for: ambition, energy, confidence, ability to thrive in a team environment, commitment to excellent service and customer satisfaction, a strong work ethics and professional mindset and behavior. Now what are the education and the experience they required for? Okay, first one, candidate must be a 18 years of age. He or she should be age of 18 years, must have a clean criminal record check, so must be able to work full-time hours. This is a full-time job, so be cautious about it before applying. This is not a part-time job, so you're going to work for Monday to Friday only. Weekends are going to be off. So fourth one, must be currently residing in Calgary or surrounding city. This is the main thing. So before applying, see for the location and be cautious about that, so that you can be closer to your workplace, so that you can start applying and grab this job. And multiple locations are there, guys. Go just visit this site. I will link is in the description box below, and I'm going to bring a second job post. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So fifth one, must be legally approved to work in Canada. This says if you are an immigrant, you're coming from outside Canada, you can also be eligible to apply for this job. So you need to have work permit or a related allocation, or legally you have to be authorized by the Canada government. So these are the requirements. This is the first job as we have shown. Now we're going to see the second job. Okay, now we'll see the second job profile. These two are freshers. This entry level job, they don't require huge experience or education. We'll see one by one. For the title of customer service and sales support representative, the location is Survey. You just Google it for this location. And this is the overview of this profile. Our company is currently seeking an individual for full-time position in sales and customer solution, direct marketing, promotion in event marketing. Ideally, we are looking to hire individual that we be will be our future team leads. Due to the success and rapid expansion of company, career development can be quick advancement with those individual with the right attitude and motivation. So this is the overview. Just have a walkthrough before starts applying. In this position, you need to have a daily interact daily with the clients in a professional manner, organize, maintain client record, be responsible for motivation training and a function of team, have the ability to think quickly, effectively solve problems as they rise. And what they're looking for, what are the requirements they required: driven, entrepreneurial minded individual with strong work ethics, ability to self motivated, customer service experience is an asset. So they didn't say that it is an asset, but they don't require, I hope so. But if you have skills related to customer skill, it will be useful for you to pursue. And able to demonstrate the strong interpersonal and communication skill, ability to work independently but also in a team environment. You need to work as an individual or in a team environment. You must be 18 years of age. You must have it's a legal thing. And criminal background check is required. Criminal background check is mandatory in all companies, I hope. So that's it, guys. This is the profile, very short and simple and crispy requirement and roles and responsibility as they have given. And they don't require huge education also, as we have shown. So I think any degree can start applying for these kinds of job. So it will be a survival job for you guys. If you like this video or this job post, please give a thumbs up. And if it is informative, comment me below, and share this video as much as you can in your social media page, to your friends, WhatsApp, whatever it may be. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Once again, we'll bring back one more job post or immigration related videos. Stay tuned.